How to create compost the easy way. Still got some pinto beans right here. Um, the plants never really recovered after the deer came through. I put the chicken wire up, the chicken fencing, but I think the damage was pretty intense. But I'm still getting something, which is good. Got a cucumber right here, right there. But let me show you how to make compost the easy way with kitchen scraps. Notice the way I made these trails. You can go left or right. So it's kind of hard to get bored walking around in your garden. And this is that zucchini from just yesterday. Look how tall it's gotten. See that? But let me show you the compost right here. Got some onions right there. See, the deer just keeps coming back. These are potatoes in the ground. But so this is all compost right here. Leaves and vegetable scraps. We've got a dead animal back there. Something. It's like a rabbit. Anyways, so you dig it up and just keep on covering. I have my leaves right here, right? I just make a little hole and cover it with leaves. Throw the scraps in there and cover it with leaves, right? Just like that. Take a little bit of this. All this right here was vegetable matter and leaves right here. Throw it back on there. And, put some soil on there. And that's it. It's going to decompose real fast. Take this with me. That's it. Very fast. As long as you use the existing soil, all the microbes are in there and they're going to eat that food.